degrees.
Being for real.
The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a flash flood warning for northern Perry County until 4 p.m. At 2:39 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Pinckneyville and Tamaroa. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following county: Perry, Illinois. The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a flash flood warning for